Online learners, my name is Mr. Edgar. I'll be your online facilitator for your American History course. I want to tell you a little bit about the course, the schedule, grading, etc. I did not write the course. It is through Edison, but I will be facilitating the course. I'm primarily an 8th grade teacher, although I did spend time at the high school for 10 years. This is my 20th year at Manheim Central. Just to let you know, my classroom is 155. It's in the 8th grade hallway. A little bio on me. I graduated from Hempfield High School. I went to college out at St. Francis in western Pennsylvania, then transferred down to Winthrop University in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Came back to Lancaster and got a teaching job at Manheim Central and been there ever since. Just keep in mind that this course is online, and you'll get out of it what you put into it. I just want you to know that I'm always available to you. You can reach out to me via email anytime. I'm also available in my classroom in room 155 every day. So if there's a question or a concern, certainly schedule and we'll make time for you to come in and work out any challenges that you may have. One thing I do want to emphasize to all of you taking this online class is please do not procrastinate and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. That is my job, is to help you, and we'll navigate it together. And if I can't answer your question immediately, I will find someone who can. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to reading your work. And again, please contact me if you have any concerns or questions. Thanks, and have a great day.